Okay, today we'll see the 3D effects in Adobe Illustrator, right? How we can convert 2D shapes into 3D. So if you have any 2D shape, for example, I have this shape. Now if you want to convert it into 3D, then easily you can do that. Just go to effects and from here you will see 3D. Alright, 3D means 3 dimensions. Alright, you have X, Y and Z value. You have width, height and depth. Alright, now this shape is 2D. We have only width and height. We don't have depth. If you want to create depth, then you can go for effects, 2D and extrude and bevel. As you click, you will see this dialog box will appear. From here you can do its setting and your 2D box is converted into 3D as well. For that, to apply this 3D effect, your computer should be with high specification like RAM and processor. Otherwise your computer will be stuck because it's a heavy effect. Alright. Okay, from here if you want to change its direction, you can change manually also. If you want to change the face direction or position, alright, you can change from here. And here we have also individual axes of rotation. Alright, we have X axis and we have Y axis and Z axis rotation. If you want to change, you can also change individually like this. You can change from here, you can change from here and you can change from here as well if you want to change individual rotation of each axis. And then we have extrude and bevel. Okay, here we have extrude depth. You can also control extrude depth like this, right? If you want to control, you can control extrude depth as well, all right, like this. Normally I'll keep it like 50 points. Okay, you can change it as well as per the requirement. Then we have cap and no cap, all right. So cap means it will be filled, it will act as a solid, all right. If you will just make no cap, so it will be empty from all sides. Alright, you can also remove the caps if you want it. Then the best thing we have here, bevel. Alright, you can change its edges of the solid shape. And here you have classic. Now you will see the edge will be beveled. Alright, from here you have a lot of designs. You can go and you can check which is your requirement, which you want to use. And then you can also change the height of the bevel or the effect you have applied. It looks very nice. And after applying this, you can also change the shading. So here you have wireframe. It will show you only 2D wireframe shapes, no fill. You can also go no shading. So it will give you like 2D like effects, like no shades. Then diffuse shading. You can. I think it looks better. And plastic shading as well. Plastic shading will give you more highlights. I'll go diffuse shading. I like it. Then click OK. Now it's done. Alright. So it's converted. The 2D shape is converted into 3D. So after converting, you can do changes as well. If you want, for example, change in 2D shape, easily you can do that. For example, if you want to change this one, we have corner widgets. If you want to change, so it will change as well. Look at here. Okay, so it's live update you can do after even applying effects. Look at here. Alright, even you can resize the size as well. If you want to resize box, you can resize as well. And if you want to change color, you can also change color as well. But if you want to modify its depth or extrude effects, so you cannot do it by going back to effects and extrude 3D and again if you want to. If you do it, it will give you a warning. This will apply another instance of this effect. Alright, it will be override. We don't want this and we will not do it. If you want to modify already existing effect, then you should go to the appearance panel. Alright, here we have this appearance panel. Alright, if you can bring it out from here, if not, go to Windows and bring from here appearance panel. Alright, actually appearance panel will show you all the properties of the object. Now it shows this is a path object and it has no stroke, fill is orange, and here you have applied effects on this object. The effect is 3D extrude and bevel effects you have applied, and FX mean effects here. Alright, so if you want to hide this effect, you can hide it. Look, now you can see your 2D shape and you can show it as well. Alright, and if you want to remove this effect, just delete from here. So that effect will be removed from your 2D shapes. I will do undo. Alright. And if you want to modify, you need to click here. Alright. When you click, you will see again Extrude and Bevel dialog box will appear with the same setting. Now you can change the setting and click OK. So it will be updated. Alright. So that's how you will do if you have applied one time effect, and with the appearance command, okay, appearance panel, you will modify. Okay, what else we can do with this 3D, okay, Extrude and Bevel? Even if you have text, okay, for example, you have 3D text, okay, mostly you have seen the 3D text effects you can just use in here, Illustrator. I'll go here and I'll change to little bit bold text, like which is impact. I will take the little bit light color. All right, I will take it orange or red. Okay, then go to again effects, and here 3D effects and Extrude and Bevel. Look, okay, it's converted into 3D. So what I will do, so you can change from here the direction or position. So here we have also some presets. So you can off axis back like this. I will usually use off axis top like this. You can use this one also, or the front one as one, off axis front, this one as well. Then I will decrease its depth because I don't need like too much depth. So I will make it, for example, 10 points like this. So I don't want like it's open. I will make it closed. Next, I will apply bevel. So I will go to bevel, and here I will go rounded bevel. Look, all right, it looks very nice. And height you will change and just make it 1 point height for the bevel effects. Look, it looks very nice, right? And here you can also do diffuse shading. It looks good. And I will plastic shading, all right? And we can also adjust some lightings and shading on these 3D objects. You need to click on more options. When you click on more option, okay, you will see we have light intensity, we have ambient light, and also you can add more light. Now I have one light. You can just rotate it from here. Look, as you change the light direction, you will see the different effects appearing on text. So you can add also more light. Just click here on plus sign. You can add more than one light as well. Okay. And if you want to change light intensity, you can change also light intensity from here. And you can also, which light you have selected, it will change only for that light. You can delete also from there. If you want to delete light, okay, you can delete. I will take one more light. I'll bring it here. So you can also change highlight intensity like this, all right. And also you can change the highlight size, okay, from here. I think it looks nice. And shading color, we always use shading color black. I would suggest you not to use it, not to change it, okay. Blending steps you can also increase. If you will increase, it will take more memory and the file will become more heavy. So I would suggest keep it normal, these blend steps, so it will look real also. All right, once it's done, just click OK. Now your effects is ready. Now what you can do, you can make like this, and a background behind it, all right. You can change its color like this, all right, and just change its orange and send to back like this. All right, now you can continue to make 3D. So it's an effect. You can change text anytime, all right, like this. This is 3D, right? So as I told you, your computer should be fast, all right, otherwise it will be hanged. 3D, all right. So this 3D like this, okay, it will be converted. If you want, you can change font as well, all right. So for example, here you have Arial font. So you can do live editing as well. Look, right. So if you want to modify, all right, line spacing also we can change. If you want to change, like it will be the whole editing you can do. I'm using Alt and up arrow to decrease the line spacing, okay, like this. So you can create like many banners you have seen. People are creating like 3D shapes and they are using in design. All right. So that one, Extrude and Bevel, right? Next, most important we have, which I like a lot, is a Revolve command. Revolve. You can revolve any shape and you can create on 360. For example, I will make one shape like this. So I have this one shape here. Okay, so you should know the half shape of the product which you are going to design. So I will create one outline also. Okay, like this. So I want to revolve it. Okay, so this will be my revolving line. Okay, you can flip it also from here. Okay, just keep it like this. Now go to effects and now 3D and revolve. Now you see object will be revolved like this. Okay, now it becomes a 3D. All right, and from, of course, from here you can also change like this. Okay, your face you can change also. You see inside also like this. Okay, so here you can just convert any shape into 3D, but you should to know what you are going to design. For example, if I'm going to design a glass, so I will create this side, for example, this one, and here, and we have here, like this one. All right. So what I will do, I will just also click this one, direct selection tool, and just make it a little bit round. Or I will do it later, no problem. After converting, I can do as well. So select this one and then go to again effects, 3D and 3D revolve like this. But now maybe you say it's not a glass, right? So what we have to do, we have to change its rotation axis. From here, you have offset from left edge. We want offset from right edge. You will see it's done. All right. So click OK. Now I will change the line width. So I will make it 0.5. So I'll go here and make it 0.25. It's smaller. All right. Then I will change it. So how do I change it? So you can just hide it, 3D revolve. Just select this one, hide it. Okay, it will save your computer memory. Then direct selection tool and click here and just make it round like this. Make it round. Then you can show also like this. Okay, come down here and you can also click here and just make it round like this. All right, look. All right, so it will change. And go here, and from here you can also change. Click once and release, then like this. It's great like this. All right, now you have just created. If you want to just move little bit, of course you can change the shape like by doing like this. All right, and you can moving this one as well. So as you will move, it will change the overall shape of the design like this. All right. Okay, next, if you want to draw a bottle or a cup or a multicolor objects, okay, from internet, you can also draw. For example, I'll go Google. All right, and from here I will search, for example, the coffee cup. All right, and we will design like this. For example, we have this cup, you can also select this one. Okay, or we have the clear one, for example, this one. All right, so we want to design this one. So I will copy this image, right click, come back to Illustrator. All right, so what I will do, I will just paste it, Control V. Right, so it's pasted. So okay, so what I want to do, I want to draw over it. Okay, so undo. Okay, so you can do lock it. Okay, I will trace it. You can trace it whole, object, lock, selection, then go pen tool and go to mid and just click here, then here. All right, and then click here and here. Okay, then click here. Yes, I will make half. Okay, like this, and just half. So while remaining in pen tool, all right, you can just click on Alt tool. Okay, hold Alt key. You can convert it into curve. Okay, with like this, and I'll go up, and here also hold Alt key while remaining in pen tool. You can make it into curve, and little bit this one, and hold Alt key to convert it like this. Hold Alt key, and here we want little bit curves also. You can do it with direct selection tool as well. Click here and just change it like this. Okay, now I think our design is ready. So we want to change its color as well. So click here and change its width. So its width is 0.5 and I'll change its black color or any color you can give like this. Okay. So it's a filled one. So I will remove fill. I don't need fill. Okay. And I need this color. Okay. What I will do, if you will rotate now, if you will revolve 3D and revolve, now you see it will be revolved and you need to change from here from right edge. Okay. Like this. Now, okay. So it's done. Look, right. It's created the same, but we want different color. We don't want this color. We want like this cap color. This should be white and this should be gray. So how to do? You have to make them separate. So select this one, direct selection tool, and click here. Now I want to break it from here. After selection with the with the direct selection tool, click here. Means cut path at selected anchor point. So it will cut here and come down, and I will select this one and cut from here also. Okay. Then come down and select this one and cut from here also. Okay. Now you have made it the separate shapes. Now it's time to change color. So select this one for the cap, give it darker color. Okay. And this one I'll keep it white or gray. Okay. This one is okay. Brown is right. And this one will be also gray. Okay. Okay. One mistake you will do here. Okay. When you will do select all. Okay. From here we need to select. We have to make it straight. Okay. Just click here and it should be like this. All right. So you can select with this tool, make down and click here. So it should be like this. Okay. So it's time to revolve. So now if you will select all the lines, and you can flip it also if you don't want to change from here. I will flip it. So it will be flipped this side. All right. So what you will do, if you go effect and 3D and revolve, now it would be like this. You will not get the result what you want because the line segments are not connected. All right. So for that purpose, what you need to do, you need to group all the segments. This is the key point while revolving. You need to select all and right click and make group. Okay. Now go to effects and 3D and revolve. Look, you got your results. All right. Then you can move it a little bit like this. All right. Like this as well. Right. Still we have some gap. All right. So if you want to change the gap, we'll see how we can fill the gap as well. All right. Like here we can see. I will do cancel. And look at here, we have some gap here. Okay, look, this is the reason. So I'll do ungroup. Okay, and just we need to change it. Right click and arrange send to back. Just change its order. And I will unlock, and I don't need this picture anymore. So here we need to fix it a little bit. So go here and select, click here. Click like this. And here. So I will move like this. Okay, so let's check now. So select all, then go to effect 3D and revolve. Yeah, we haven't grouped it. So select right click and group. All right, then go to effects and 3D and revolve. All right, now it's better. Now we have to connect here. All right, so but at least it's a good result. All right. So we can use in our advertisement like this. Okay. So if you press OK, now you have created this one. We have some problem here. We need to fix it. Okay. We have, I think, a double crossing line. So again undo, and I think here we have some problem, and here you need to fix it also. All right. So ungroup. All right. So click here and then direct selection tool, and you need to move little bit down as well. All right, like this. Now you need to select it again all and right click and group, then effect and 3D revolve. Yeah, all right. Finally we got it. Click OK. Now your cup is ready. Look. All right. So that's how you can create 3D in Adobe Illustrator. Okay, so we have one thing more. Okay, one thing more we want to change. Okay, I will delete this one. So one thing more we have, which is called how we can paste logo over here, which is called map artwork. I want to show my logo over here. So how to show logo? You have to go map art. Okay, for example, we have here this one. Okay, if you will change this one into 3D, so go to effects and revolve 3D and extrude and bevel. So here you have box. If you want to map art over it, you want to paste your logo, then you need to go map art option. If you go here map art option, now here you can map art over it. So what I can map, you can map a symbol. So go here and choose any symbol like this. So what face you have selected from here, this box actually has 6 sides. You can move from here next surface. Okay, when you see this dark gray shade, it means the face is hidden, it's not visible to you. When I will move forward, so this is also dark gray, not visible to me. This one also dark, this is light gray, and this is the face which is visible to you. And from here you can choose only the symbols, alright, like this. And from here you can also scale to fit. You can clear also. If you do clear, all symbols which you have applied will be deleted. Alright, so from here you will select the face and then you will choose the symbol to apply. Alright, from here you can also do invisible geometry like this. Press OK. Now you will see it's applied, this one. Now question, how we can apply our own logo, how we can apply our own images to the sides of this photo, alright, or this object. For example, I will place one photo, alright. So any photo you can apply, alright. So I want to apply this logo side of this 3D object. So select this one, then go to appearance panel and extrude and bevel here, then go to map art and choose surface from here. Like this surface will be visible to you, then choose from here, but I don't have this symbol here. So first we need to convert this picture into symbol, then I can see here. Okay, I'll do cancel. Okay, cancel. Then here just find out the symbol panel, and it's very easy, just drag this picture to symbol, that's it, and click OK. A symbol definition cannot be contain a linked image, alright. Why? Because it's not embedded yet. So you need to embed first. Okay, now it's embedded. Now just drag over here and click OK. It's converted. Then select this one, go to extrude bevel, map art, then go to select the surface or the face, and then choose symbol from here like this. Okay, you can rotate also from here if you want to rotate. Like this, you can also scale to fit as well. Now your logo has been set in 3D image and press OK. Look. Alright. If you want to paste your own logo, custom logo, you can also design. You have to convert it into symbol. Alright. So what do you need to, for example, this is your logo. Okay, just select and just drag to in symbol. That's it, and click OK. Alright. Now it's converted. It will be heavier because it's a 3D effect. Then I want to paste inside this. So select this one and go to 3D Revolve, modify it and map artwork, and it will take time because you have to find out the right surface. Alright. So right surface you have to find out, move when you see here the light gray option, then you can do it. Alright. So I'll go here. Okay, maybe it would be. So I will apply and I will check if it is. No, I think it's not because I cannot see. Alright, so I'll go to next surface, next. Let me see, because it's 40 sides. Yeah, it's here we can use it. So I will delete this one, clear. And now, so which symbol you have created, just place. Okay, it will take time because it's a 3D symbol. Alright, so you can apply here. So I would suggest not to use it, so clear it. Alright, so I'll use my logo. So click here, logo. Alright, that's the logo for your product, for example. and you can display like this. All right, so it will be your coffee product. All right, so you can make bottles as well. You can make water bottle, you can make coffee, a lot of things you can create with this 3D effects. All right, next effect we have, which is called 3D rotate. All right, 3D rotate means if you have any 2D shape, you can rotate it prospectively. All right, just click here and just go to effects and 3D rotate. So only it's a rotation like this. Okay, so it's a rotation. We can say it's a perspective rotation. All right, even you can use this one like this. In 3D environment, you can rotate your 2D shape. So if you want to do that, you can do. One thing more, if you want to merge effects with the shape, now you see you can do this one with the pen tool as well, because its effects has been applied. So how I can merge the shape and effects together, and go to object and expand appearance. All right, now the effects has been merged and now you have single shape. All right, same this one also, if you want to merge it into shape, all right, because it's a heavy one. So what I will do, so select this one, it says it grouped. Because I have converted this one into symbol. All right, so it's acting as a symbol. Okay, if you have, we have the next lecture detail on symbols. So if you double click, you can add it symbol as well. All right, or you can break a link from here. So I break the link from the symbol panel. Now I want to merge it, so you can merge it as well. All right, so we have a right click, ungroup. All right, then select this one and go to object and expand appearance. All right, now it will be expanded. Now you can do ungroup. All right, and everything will be separated. You can do ungroup as well. If you want to do changing like this, you can change like this. Now you have only S3D like this. Okay, so you can use this all effects from 3D panel. All right, this all 3 panels are very important. 3 effects are very important. Okay, do it.